Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off pop-up blocker on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and your pop-up blocker has been turned on and now you want to turn it off, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to open your phone settings. In settings just go for apps. Here's the app, tap on it, and here you just have to look for Safari app. Here's the app, you just have to open the app setting, tap on it, and here you'll get the setting of block pop-ups. You can see it has been enabled. If you want to turn it off, so just toggle on it and then it will be turned off. But if you want to turn it on, so just tap on it again and it will be turned on. So that's how you can easily turn off pop-up blocker on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.